Hello everybody, still with me, Mr. Mulyadi. Today I want to show you redraw from other drawing with this 8B pencil. Today I want to draw it semi-realistic, okay? Let's see how to do. Firstly, you prepare the sharp pencil that you use, sharp ready, and then here I draw a helping line, and then here again I just want to imagine the man eyes like this. Oh yeah, thanks to visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I gonna make more for you and you can get the new one. Here for the character of the eyebrow, it is for the man is thick and a bit flat. You color this first. So if necessary, you can shadow it. And you have to measure this one here. Oh yeah, I need your comment, yeah, forward the comment so I will know what you want from me. Okay, just tell. Actually, I need more sharp, so I find the sharp one and the other one here. So after that, you can use your finger to blend here to get the shadow more soft. Just that. And here the nose. The mouth is more flat than the girl mouth here. And more thin and more light, not really dark, because the man is not use the lipstick. Now chin area. Oh yeah, for the main face, you have to mark this one first from here, and make sure this is a bit strong. Okay, not really curved but strong like this, and give more, let it chin is a bit wide. Okay, now I'm gonna start from the hair. There you have to divide from the big shape of the folding hair. And you can give the happy line first. After happy line again, for the neck, the man is bigger because the man or the boy have the strong character. I hope you're still with me. We draw together. Okay, now to make it easy, you have to divide some shape of the hair. It's the easy way to draw the hair. After you divide like this, by some shape like a leaf shape. In anime, the name is the leaf shape, not the string shape. Okay, now let's do the hair with the string shape. Here's small line. We need more time to complete this one, so I hope this you can do by yourself. So I only draw some, not all. So you can complete also with the small line like that. Okay, the smooth hair. Okay, I think this is done for my drawing. I hope you get something with the thing that I give. So just tell me for your improvement, or you want to share also your skill in my Instagram or YouTube channel, just tell me, okay? Thank you to be my friend, to join my channel, and I hope we can improve together. You can do the best also, I can, yeah. Here, finish. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye bye.